In this video, we will learn about vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction in plants. First of all, we should know, what is vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation is a form of asexual reproduction of a plant. Only one plant is involved and the offspring is the result of one parent. The new plant is genetically identical to the parent. It can happen through the use of vegetative parts of the plants, such as leaves, stems and roots to produce new plants, or through growth from specialized vegetative parts. Now we will learn more about the types of vegetative propagation. Natural vegetative propagation: in this type, new plants grow from parts of the parent plant. Artificial vegetative propagation: horticulturists and farmers use artificial means to produce plants that are identical to the parent plant. First of all, we will discuss about the natural vegetative propagation. As we have already defined that in natural vegetative propagation, plants grow from parts of the parent plant. These parts may be stems, roots and leaves. Now we will explain all of these, one by one. Stems. Runners are stems that grow horizontally above the ground. They have nodes where buds are formed. These buds grow into a new plant. Roots. New plants will grow out of swollen, modified roots called tubers. Buds develop at the base of the stem and then grow into new plants. Leaves. Leaves of some plants will grow into a new plant if they become detached from the parent plant. Other plants grow small plants called plantlets on the edge of their leaves. Bulbs. A bulb contains an underground stem. Leaves are attached to the stem. These leaves contain much stored food. At the center of the bulb is an apical bud. Also attached are lateral buds. The apical bud will produce leaves in a flower, while the lateral buds will produce new shoots. As the plant grows and develops, it will form a new bulb underground. Artificial vegetative reproduction. Horticulturists and farmers use artificial means to produce plants that are identical to the parent plant. Some of the methods used are: cuttings. Cuttings are part of the plant that is cut off of the parent plant. Shoots with leaves attached are usually used. New roots and leaves will grow from the cutting. The shoot is cut at an angle. A growth promoter may be used to help with the growth of the roots. Grafting. In grafting, two plants are used to develop a new plant with combined traits from the two parent plants. In grafting, the sign is the above-ground part of one plant. The sign is attached to the stalk, which is the rooted part of the second plant. Layering. In layering, a shoot of a parent plant is bent until it can be covered by soil. The tip of the shoot remains above ground. New roots and eventually a new plant will grow. These plants can then be separated. That's all about the vegetative reproduction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more upcoming updates.